Today we were going to make some chicken Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. First I'm going to put down a little olive oil and put my onions and bell peppers right on the hot griddle top. Once those get going, we'll hit them with a little salt and pepper. Next thing to go down is going to be a little chicken. Now, in combination of a hot griddle and I forgot to put oil down, it stuck a little bit, but we're going to add a little salt and pepper, and the scraper will get it up when we get ready to clean. Right now, we're just going to turn this chicken over, get it all cooking evenly. Once your chicken's done, we're just going to mix everything together. When it gets good and mixed, you'll want to start portioning out your sizes for each sandwich. Once you have your sandwich sizes portioned out, layer the cheese on top. You're going to squirt a little bit of water in between and cover it with a dome. While the cheese is melting, you're going to lay your buns out to start toasting them. Then finally, once everything's melted and your buns are toasted, you're going to lay a bun on top, slide your spatula underneath, flip it all at one time, and slide it in. Now one more time and we'll be ready to go. Now we'll clean her up and go eat.